The question is, the increasing order of reactivity of the following halides for the SN1 reaction is, and these are the options. We know that the rate of SN1 reaction is directly proportional to stability of carbocation, which means the, the molecule which is more stable, the rate of SN1 reaction will be more. So we have to decide which is the most stable to find the sequence of reaction. We see that in equation 2, if we remove the chloride ion, we will get this charge, and this molecule is more stable than this one and this one. So so the equation 2 will be in the first position, then equation 1, then equation 3, because this molecule is more stable than this one.